guys, my name is Shai and today I'm going to tell you everything that you need to know about Theyavue. So if you are here, you probably are looking for more information about this supplement. Then stay tuned until the very end of my video. That for sure it's going to be the most complete video you see today on the internet about this supplement, alright? I also want to give you some very important alerts, some warnings that you have to know before you actually purchase it. So stay with me, alright? However, if you watch this video into the very end and you think you need more information about it, I'm gonna give the link to the official website just below here in the description of my video. Just go to the description box, you just click on the link below and you go directly to their official website where you can find all the complete information, okay? But stay with me, okay? Then I am gonna give you some very important warnings, alright? So guys, Theyavue is one of the most effective vision support supplements on the market, and you must be very careful about the website where you're gonna purchase it because it's only sold from the official one. Well guys, providing high quality antioxidants, rich components that will help in the development of eye health, Theyavue will improve vision without the need for surgery or other comparable procedures. Each of the unique ingredients has a distinct characteristic to improve vision, and it provides maximum health benefits with just 2 capsules of it a day, okay? So the careful combination of vital substances will help sharpen blurred vision and improve night vision. It will also enhance long-term vision and provide clear vision without causing harmful or bad side effects, okay? As you age, your vision naturally declines. According to recent studies, more than 93 million American adults are at high risk for severe vision loss. Fortunately, today there are ways to prevent and improve vision with powerful vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. Theyavue is an effective supplement that will primarily help to improve vision. It will improve eye health by providing regenerated eye cells and complete cellular nutrients. Overall, Theyavue contains a blend of known and well-researched substances associated with vision health, eye health, overall health, and well-being. Guys, the combination is similar to a high-potency multivitamin combined with antioxidants that focus on the eyes, such as lutein, and this combination will improve eye circulation. It will keep your eye muscles in shape. It will provide maximum cellular protection from injury and make you more effective and robust. In providing health advantages, Theyavue lowers blood sugar and blood pressure, protecting you from other disorders that can affect vision, such as glaucoma, okay? The vast majority of people have age-related degeneration of sight. Theyavue, on the other hand, offers spectacular results for your health. It will also treat cataracts and provide adequate vitality to the cells of your eyes, providing maximum protection and preventing injury. And how you are gonna take it? You should take it every day for at least 3 months, and it's recommended by specialists, okay, to see the desired results and follow the complete treatment. And the capsules should be taken with a glass of water about 30 minutes before meals. So keep an eye out because the original Theyavue is only sold on the official website, okay? Also, one thing that excited me is that if anyone is unhappy with the results or you think it's not for you, they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you just need to contact the customer service and you will get your money back, right? And to help you, I will leave here the link to the official website, right? So you can access it safely and get the original product. Well, guys, I hope I have helped you, and come back here afterwards, okay, and follow the complete treatment and tell your results. So this way you will help others, okay? Thank you so much for watching until the end. Bye bye.